In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record Destiny 2 with OBS Studio. So the Destiny 2 is a bit tricky with OBS because of Bungie's anti-cheat system, which blocks direct game capture to prevent cheating software from hooking into the game. So that's why if you're trying game capture, you will only get a black screen. Here's the proper way to record Destiny 2 with OBS without black screen problem. So the first method is using display capture. So this is gonna be the best way to record your Destiny 2 without black screen using OBS. So go to your OBS and select a scene, and under sources click on this plus icon and just select display capture and rename and click on OK. Now click on this capture method drop down, and here in this list select automatic and click on this display drop down and select your computer display, and then you can enable capture cursor, then just click on OK. And now go ahead and open your Destiny in full screen mode and go ahead and play your Destiny. Before that, make sure to click on start recording and then play your Destiny 2, and OBS will record your Destiny without black screen. And our second option is using window capture. So just come to the source section and click on this plus icon, select window capture, and here click on window drop down and select your Destiny 2 window from here. After that, just click on OK, and then your Destiny 2 game will add in OBS. Click on start recording, then go back to your Destiny 2, and that's how we can easily record our Destiny 2 without black screen.